a poor man killed 7 flies with a single slap. This made him feel that he could defeat 7 enemies at once as well. He made a sign for himself and set out on a journey. He walked for about 3 days and 3 nights but met no one along the way. He fell asleep near a well. At night, a demon came to fetch water. When he saw what was written on that sign, one who can defeat 7 at once, he became frightened. He thought this man must be an invincible warrior, so he decided that he shouldn't make him up. Just then, the poor man woke up. The demon immediately said, "You are very powerful. If you fetch water for us every day, the king of the demons will reward you." The man thought this was a good opportunity and went with the demons to a mysterious place. The king of the demons asked him what he wanted in return. The man said, "A golden basket so that I can sit in it and go home." The deal was finalized. He was given a buffalo hide. He started thinking, if the empty hide is this heavy, how will I carry it when it's full? So he began digging around the well with a pickaxe. The demon sitting below noticed that the man hadn't returned for quite a while. One demon went to check on him. He asked, "Why are you digging the earth?" The man replied, "It will be difficult to fetch water every time. That's why I'm going to take the entire well with me." The demon got scared and said, No, my mother's eyesight is weak. If she falls into the well, it will be a big problem." He quickly assigned the man another task. Now he had to go into the forest and break sandalwood logs. The ghost said, "That's an easy job, just bend the wood with your hands." But as soon as the man tried to bend the wood, it bounced and went straight into a rabbit's burrow. He saw the rabbit running and chased after it. After a while, the demon arrived there and said, "Where are you running off to?" The man replied, "I've crossed the entire forest chasing this rabbit, but I still haven't been able to catch it." Hearing this, the demon became frightened. He went back down and told everyone, "Get rid of this man. He is an even greater demon than us." But the man refused, because he had not yet faced the most powerful demon there. As soon as he heard this, the most powerful demon appeared and a contest was arranged. Whoever can strike harder with the whip will win. Whoever cries out first will lose. Upon reaching hill, demon, "You strike with whip first." But the man replied, "I can defeat 7 at once. You go first." The demon lashed the whip so hard that the cobbler fell to the ground. Now his turn. The man said, "Close your eyes. I don't want your eye to get hurt by mistake." The letter J, which is the 10th letter in the modern English alphabet, is a fascinating and relatively recent addition to the Latin script. It functions primarily as a consonant, often representing a soft gr sound or a y sound in various languages, and it holds a unique place in the history of written communication.